Hey guys, I'm Jackie, and I'm a misfit.
And I'm Simon, and I'm a misfit too. What you see behind us is a cleared site for what's going to become a fully sculpted fire pit scene, which we're going to be sculpting to the theme of Jungle Book. So we have a team of people up here making a broken facade at the entrance of the fire pit. We've got Damo and Aura doing a super cool Ganesha on the left side of the wall. Because this is a crumbled temple, we have broken pieces of column creating a boundary for the fire pit area.
Hey!
We've got some more pieces of the broken facade which are going to be crumbled on the ground near the entrance. And what we really want to show you is everything right from go to finish.
So stay tuned and watch the magic unfold.
Check out the top left video to see our instructional video series. Check out our Umbala documentary by clicking the video to the bottom left. And if you don't want to miss any of our videos, click the little bell next to the subscribe button and then hit all.